Okay, so we're just gonna use the little bit of the t-shirt here, the sleeve, that often goes to waste when you're making t-shirt yarn, and I'm just going to make a little simple rough strip to use. I'm going to use it for tying up tomatoes, but all you do is cut the sleeve off of the rest of the t-shirt. I'm just going right along the seam and keeping the seam because it'll make it a stronger strip if it has the seam on it. Won't hurt anything. Okay, and so, you know, this is going to be pretty rough because it's an uneven cylinder. But basically you just start out at an angle and you're just going to cut about an inch strip in a spiral pattern. So I'm always staying about an inch away from the edge. So I cut around the sleeve. If you've made t-shirt yarn from a regular t-shirt, it's the same principle. So we're coming back around to where I started. So I'm just making sure that I always stay about an inch away from the edge. It's always a little tougher to cut through the seams. So there's the edge, just staying about an inch away. Or you can make it wider if you want your strips to be a little wider and stronger and tougher. So we're coming on our third strip around. Oops, I'm getting a little wide there. So, you know, I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of eyeballing it and making my strips approximately an inch wide. All right, and then I'm coming back around. I'm gonna cut that, and because it was an uneven cylinder, I've got this kind of round bit on one part of the string. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and trim that. And I can still use that for a little tie somewhere. Just twist it up and tie it around. And so here, really, I've got quite a bit of string. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So about 9 times 8 gives me 72 inches, so that's, I guess, about 6 feet of yarn, if I'm doing my multiplication table correctly, all out of one t-shirt sleeve.